You making videos sometimes so hard.
Well, I started in advance. So I bought this big slab of meat yesterday. And I went ahead and seasoned it yesterday. So I'm going to smoke it today. So I bought a chuck roast. I don't know, about 1.5 inches thick on some points there. And I've already got it seasoned.
What did you use to season it?
I used Grill Masters, I think it was, Applewood seasoning.
I'll put a picture in a picture.
We used it before. It's not really sweet. It's pretty good.
It's not salty either.
It's not a whole lot of salty. You can see that it does have some spices and herbs and good stuff in there.
It is some good stuff.
But they call this the poor man's brisket. Well, as y'all know, brisket is expensive as hell right now, and this ain't too much cheaper.
Yeah.
This is 2.5 pounds, I think. It's still $22.
Remember back in the day when Chuck,
they
you
give
could get
this
it.
way. They're like,
Yeah.
you want this? Here.
Same with chicken wings.
Same way with the brisket. Brisket used to be so cheap. I'd get a 6-7 pound brisket. I'd pay $20 for it. Now it's $100. So we're gonna give this a shot. We're gonna I got the smoker already started, but I haven't got it up temperature yet. I'm gonna put it on there. My smoker is a little weird. It don't do like 225. So I'm gonna do 210 on it for probably the first couple hours, just see how it's going. And then I'll probably up it 220 or 230 because it don't do 225. So I think I got it set for 210 or 220. I can't remember now. But we're gonna probe it. And we're gonna do it like we would any other piece of meat that you're smoking. You're gonna bring that temperature up, wrap it, let it marinate in its own juices, and bringing it up to the desired temperature.
Yeah, I just got an alert that your grill is at 210 degrees.
It is ready now. So y'all want to go on out? We'll put it on.
Yep.
Let me get some tongs and we'll do it.
Tommy tongs.
Some Tommy tongs. So I'm using the competition blend pellets. I think that's what I'm using in this one. I'll double check and make sure. Sorry.
You're looking away talking.
Well, I was thinking, it might not be the competition, but I'll have to. I think it is. You was with me when I bought it. Anyway, we got our temperature up to 210.
Yes.
Okay. Put her on there, right there. Take my probe. Not get my hands dirty.
Little sucker. So are you still liking this?
I love it. I love it. I've cooked pizza on here.
Pot
Seared
pie.
Steak, pork chops. I've cooked pot pie on here. I've smoked butts and ribs and hadn't had any problems. It holds the temperature so well. When you set it at 210 or 220 or even 500, it'll get it up there and get it going. But this will straight out of the refrigerator. So sometimes I'll let it set out, sometimes I don't. Something about the fibers in the meat. You know what, I didn't go to college, I don't know anything about that shit. All I know is what's good. And sometimes I'll leave my steaks on the counter, I don't know, an hour before I decide that I'm going to
Let them relax.
Let them relax. And they say that breaks up the fiber, or it don't break up the fiber and messes with the glucose, and I don't know. All I know is this come out of the refrigerator from last night. I seasoned it, and it is probably going to be in the 40 degree range right now. So we're gonna smoke it. We'll check on it in like an hour.
Right.
So it's
Set
7
your
o'clock.
watch.
It's 7 o'clock now. We're gonna shoot for like 11 tonight. So It's about 7 now.
Stop it.
Yeah, I see the sun over there rising. It's about 7 o'clock. It's about 8. After I've had a beer or two, we'll check on it.
All right, don't let me forget.
All right. Well,
Rolling.
we're we're only like an hour into it, but we want to check on it, see how it's progressing, and maybe go ahead and up the temperature to the 220, 230, whatever you like. But we're gonna take a look.
All right.
Because if you're looking, you ain't cooking. So we're getting some separation on the meat there a little bit. It's a little smoky.
A little.
Yeah.
I expected more.
Well,
Give me more, Tommy. I need more.
Only been an hour. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. We'll come back in about an hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours this time, and check on it.
What are you doing out here? You gonna do some work out here?
Yeah.
Aren't you supposed to be off?
Yeah. Always work. That's what I am, a company man.
Well, put on a Peachtree shirt so you don't ruin one of your good shirts.
I'm already done with what I was gonna do.
They brought work home.
Yeah, it's our screen housing that needs some touch-up paint, so I got it ready for tomorrow. Actually, I'm not doing it tonight.
Tomorrow's Labor Day.
On my day off, I'm gonna paint and try not to scratch it when I load it back on the van. But we'll see.
You got that down by yourself?
Yeah, it's not very good.
All right. It tastes very good.
So if you had to compare it to brisket,
I would say it's pretty close.
Hey, bro. Yeah. Very good.
So potatoes, zucchini.
Don't that look good? I would say a 10 out of 10.
What you doing, Tommy?
I'm making some burgers.
Are you cooking again?
Always. Seems like anymore.
What kind of burgers are you making?
Festive.
Festive.
Happy burgers. Now I'm doing hopefully some spicy burgers. We got the Cajun two-step. I'm putting a little bit of cheese in them, and then a little bit of Worcestershire.
Worcestershire.
Yeah, I don't know why they named that stuff that. But anyway, I'm going to mix this up, make some patties, and top it off with some jalapenos and some pepper jack cheese.
How you going to cook them?
On the grill. on the PitBoss. So, we'll see, right?
All right. Y'all, Lord Jesus and Jerry Lee, that is good. That is a good burger. It is so good. It's juicy. It's got so much flavor to it. Good job, Tommy.
Well, good.
Well, all right. Welcome back.
I love my Pitmaster grill. Thank you for watching my videos, and goodbye.
Stop it. All right, for real, what do you think of it?
I love it. I really do. I hadn't had any of the pellets that I hadn't liked. The competition is probably the best for smoking, in my opinion. Somebody else might like cherry or whatever, but I think that blend is better.
Is there anything you would change about it? Anything you would modify if you could?
No, not really. Maybe the temperature settings. I need like the halves instead of wholes. I like certain temperatures when I smoke stuff or cook stuff, but other than that, it doesn't matter really. What's 5 degrees?
Yeah, that's true.
But yeah,
That's
true. Cooking on it is easy. When you fire it up, it's ready in probably 5-10 minutes, like a normal grill, and it holds the temperature throughout the whole cook, so you don't have to worry about it.
I think what drove home the value, or I don't even know what the word is I'm looking for. I'm tired, y'all. But I think what impressed me the most was that pot pie.
Well, it's an oven.
Well, I mean, okay, but you see that with other grills, and we've had grills that we've tried to make in oven, and they didn't hold the temperature enough to get whatever you're trying to do brown or melted on top.
Yeah.
So I was really impressed with that.
Yeah, I mean, it does a great job. I hadn't had anything any different than any other smoker, other than it holds the temperature where you want it.
I think the only thing that I don't like about it, that I'm not sold on, is that it's electric. So if the power goes out, you're kind of screwed. When it comes to that, I'm not real crazy about that part.
Yeah.
But if that's the worst.
Yeah, and I have other grills, so.
Well, that's true, but I'm just saying.
That's not that big of a deal.
All right, well, thank you for coming along with us. We were sick, so we didn't go anywhere. This was during the height of our illness, so we
cooked a few things.
We just cooked a few things because we both finally got to a point where we felt like we could eat. And
it seemed like a lot of people liked the couple of grilling, Pitmaster grilling things that we did. So we decided, why not do that?
Yep, he does it every day, so I mean, he enjoys it.
Get ready to do it now.
And if anybody wants him to do a video making that meatloaf, let me know. I will make it happen. All right, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when we upload new videos. Until next time, bye-bye. Stay spicy.